This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 5.1.1 to describe a catalyst from the 2025 CAIE syllabus. So first of all, let's talk about what a catalyst actually is. And so a catalyst is usually some type of chemical that is used in chemistry that is part of a chemical reaction. So here in this picture, we see that there are two reactants in the presence of the catalyst, and then we see the chemical reaction happening and some new substance is formed and the catalyst is still present. And so a catalyst is a substance that is added to a chemical reaction, but it is not affected by the reaction itself. You can see in the diagram the catalyst itself has not changed. It's still the same form, and so all that means is that the catalyst can then go and find two reactants and repeat the same chemical reaction. So what does a catalyst do? Well, in this graph we see that there are two things that the catalyst is actually doing for the chemical reaction. First of all, the catalyst is going to increase the rate or the speed at which the reaction happens. So our yellow line has finished first, and then the green line finishes a little bit later according to the time of this graph, and we see the yellow line is with the catalyst compared to the green line, which is without the catalyst. The second thing that the catalyst does is it lowers the amount of energy that is needed to start a chemical reaction, which is called the activation energy, and you can see here there is definitely a difference in the height of the graph lines between the reaction with a catalyst and the reaction without a catalyst. So what is an actual catalyst? Well, a catalyst is going to affect a chemical reaction where there is not enough energy for the reaction to actually start. And so what it's going to enable the particles or the reactants in the chemical reaction to do is to have enough kinetic energy so that the reactants can interact with each other and the chemical reaction can then occur. So a catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction but is not changed by the reaction. So in this animation you can see that it's just repeating over and over again. The catalyst continues to interact with the reactants, and then when the product is formed, the catalyst will react with other reactants and a product will be formed, and so on and so forth until all of the reactants are used up.